pick up an IPTV. It's very simple and very easy. I will teach you step by step. Let's begin. The first thing you have to do is go to the Play Store, search for Smart IPTV over there, and install it. I will leave all the links in the description below, so you can follow me step by step and you will get the IPTV. Now it's done downloading, so you can head on to plex.com. Let me show you how. All you have to type is IPTV Plix.com. and you will load in this one. Now you can press subscribe and have the packages: 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Then you press on the year or month that you want. Obviously you see what Plex offers. Everyone loves it. And add to chart. And proceed to checkout. You need to type the address, your email address, create on your new account. If you are a new one, you have just to create. And remember, this is an important thing. When you are ordering this and filling out this form, remember to choose Smart TV, because when you choose Smart TV, your Plex subscription will come as groups. If you don't select TV, you select maybe Android, Apple, I don't know the others, they come all at once. So please be careful. Select Smart TV, and you can pay with Visa any way you like. Agree and make payment. And then after a few seconds you will receive an email. Now that you have completed the payment, you will receive an email. An email like this. This is the email you will receive. And you have to press on the link. When you press on the link, a file will download immediately. When the file finishes downloading, then you have to go to the Smart IPTV that you recently downloaded. Will open. You have to add a new user. Load from file. Allow. Give the IPTV name. I don't know. Ember IP. Browse. Then storage. Downloads. Add user. And it will be created like that successfully. When you first press on live TV, nothing will come up. If you have pressed Explore all the channels will come up. So how do you do this? If you, for instance, maybe go on United States, you can move it to the live folder. Long press and move it to the live folder. Series, move it to the series. No. So on and so forth until you are happy with your selection. Medic to England videos. Move it to movies. Italy videos. Move it to movies. Italy, where there's nothing, it's live. Move it to live. Malta. Nothing, so move it to live. So on and so forth until you finish. And then, when you go back and go back in it again, what the ones you select for live, they will come in the live folder. The one you selected in movies, they will come in the movies folder. And the one in series, they will come in series folder. That's all there is to it. It's very simple. All you have to do is buy an MI box or an Android box you like. I will leave some of my preferred down below with a link, and it's very good. Everything works. There's lots of channels, and very fast.
The Orioles been trying to work them away. Corner, and here's Brent Suter.
That's all that is to it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and maybe click on the bell to get notified when I post another video. Thank you. Good night.